Welcome students. Today I have come with a video lecture on the character sketch of Sadao Hockey and Sadao Hockey's father from the chapter The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck from your book Flamingo. So here is the character sketch of Sadao Hockey. Sadao Hockey is the protagonist of the story The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. He is an obedient son, a loving husband, and a skilled surgeon and scientist. He was perfecting an experiment that would clear the wounds. He went to America for his higher studies to learn all that could be learned of surgery and medicine. He studied there for 8 years and returned to Japan at the age of 30. Before his father died, Sadao had become famous not only as surgeon but also as a scientist. The old general had full faith in him. He was not sent abroad with the troop because the old general might need an operation. He was a true Japanese like his father. He loved Japanese culture, tradition, and people. He is an emotionally complex character who struggles to come in terms with his inexplicable impulse to save the life of an American prisoner of war. Sadao's arc is anti-epiphanic, ending with his deeply prejudiced thoughts about all the Americans he is known throughout his life. However, the story suggests that the reason he helped the prisoner of war, putting his or his household's safety on the stake, in doing so is because of the latent human impulse to be good and kind. He would not let a man die if he could help him. That is why he cured even an enemy soldier, a prisoner of war, and did not hand him over to the police. He faces opposition from his servants, but he knows his responsibilities as a doctor. Dr. Sadao let the man escape in the larger interest of professional ethics and human consideration. He rose above narrow national loyalty and sentimentality. He is a kind and considerate doctor. He is a perfect role model for all the doctors who really upholds the values of their profession. Now, the character sketch of Sadao's father. Dr. Sadao's father was a great patriot. He loved Japanese culture, tradition, and people. He was a Japanese to the core. He was a serious kind of person who never played or joked with his only son, but he spent infinite pains upon him. He was a traditional father who had taken great care of his upbringing. He was futuristic. He had taken him often to the islands and had never failed to say to the brave boy at his side, "Those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future of Japan." For the sake of the best possible medical education, he sent his son to America. Sadao met Hana there, but waited to fall in love with her until he was sure she was pure Japanese, as his father would never receive her unless she had been pure in her race. His father was stern in his beliefs and loved Japanese values. Sadao's father was a Japanese every inch. The floor of his room was deeply matted. He would never sit on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. Thank you.